To begin your refund claim, visit the FBR IRIS portal and log in with your credentials. At the top menu, click on the Refund tab, then select Form 170, Application for Refund of Tax Paid in Excess. Choose the relevant tax year, such as 2025, and continue. On the next screen, under the Content tab, enter the amount of refund you wish to claim in the blank field. Now click on Attachment to upload supporting documents. Start with your submitted tax return. If you're a salaried individual, also attach your salary certificate and any tax certificates used by your lawyer to adjust your return. Once all documents are attached, click Save and then Submit. Your application will now appear in the outbox. Finally, visit your local tax office to physically submit the application. The RTO officer will review your case and decide whether the refund will be granted.